Okay, so have you ever gone to KFC and wanted to, you know, have some breakfast instead of just normal chicken? Well, they've officially started the old time combination of chicken and waffles. So you go in, you get a couple of drumsticks, and you get a side of waffles. But today's tries video is not that. Instead, it is their waffle sandwich. If you've gone to McDonald's, you know what their McGriddle is. It's pancake griddle set side with sausage and whatever else you put onto it. This is KFC's version. You can smell the syrup within the waffle. There you go. It's 2 pieces of waffle inside of a chicken. However, this is supposedly the hot honey sandwich. So, oh, that is amazing. Oh, that is amazing. Holy crap. I can't even find words for this on how amazing it is. And it's not even hot. Like, I could taste the honey, but I don't really have any hotness to it. But holy crap. This is amazing. Yeah. So, it's literally just chicken and waffles turned into a sandwich. For lazy people who don't want to do one at a time. And holy crap, this is amazing. Like, I don't have words for this. Go try this sandwich. Eat it now.